In this video, I'll show you how to make a video with Higgsfield AI. First, open your web browser and go to the Higgsfield AI website. Sign into your account or create one if you're new to the platform. Next, from the main dashboard, select the option to create a new AI video. Choose whether you want to start with a text prompt or upload an image, depending on the type of video you want to create. Now, enter a detailed prompt describing the scene, the subject, the camera movement, and the style you want. If you're using an image, upload it and add any additional instructions to guide the video generation. Then choose your preferred video settings, such as the aspect ratio, duration, or quality, if those options are available. After that, click the Generate button and wait while Higgsfield AI creates your video. The generation process may take a few minutes depending on the complexity of your request and the current server load. Finally, preview the generated video. If you're happy with the result, click Download to save it to your device. If you want to make changes, edit your prompt or adjust the settings and generate a new version until you get the result you're looking for. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a video with Higgsfield AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.